Hello, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be working on the Land Rover. I haven't had low range working for about a year, and I keep doing things like this. Which really requires low range. Let's get the floor out and get stuck in. So guys, this is inside the 110. It's 1983, so it's quite an early one. First job we've got to do is get the floor plates out and the transmission tunnel. I'll just show you guys what it actually does. This is high range, and that's low range, but there's no connection anymore. I don't know if the link has snapped or the little grub screw that holds it all together inside fell apart. We'll have to dig in and find out. Going on. So these are the gear levers. It's the main gear lever and your high-low gear lever, gearbox, and get the cap down here. You can see the linkage is all moving, and the linkage is moving here. The common problem is the grub screw to fall off. Or loosen off the selector, and then it won't move the selector shaft. Let's take the top off and have a look. So I've got all the bolts out and the little pipe is disconnected. I'm just going to scratch off with a screwdriver as much muck as I can and then brush it off with a little brush, because I don't want to tip that in top of the gearbox. Another little thing I've noticed, you can't get the pin out. It presses on the side of the gearbox, so you have to take the pin out when you've taken the actual unit off. Well, this is great news, guys. The top of the gearbox is nice and clean in the oil way, and I can't see any bits fell down. And I've definitely found the issue. This is not attached anymore. If I hold that still with my fingers, you can rotate the other shaft around all over the place. Right guys, when I took this apart, it didn't have a gasket. I checked the parts catalogue and it said it needed a gasket. I did have an LT230 gasket set and there was that gasket in there, so I'm going to put it back in with the gasket. I don't know if the early ones did or didn't, but it's got one now. Gotta get that little pin in before we put it all together. Yeah, that's fixed. Perfect. Right, put it together. So, that seems to have fixed it. The lever's working properly now. So if your high-low lever goes all wibbly wobbly, there's a good chance it's just that glove screw that's come undone. I'll put everything back together now. So we've got it all back together. I fit this little cubby box. Put junk in and give it a test. So, normal high range first. So, all fixed, ready to use another day.